UniFi Mobile Router Industrial Setup. Unbox the router, plug it into a power source, and connect it to your computer using an Ethernet cable. Open a web browser and type in the router's IP address, typically something like 192.168.1.1. Log in with the default username and password. Make sure to change these for security. Enter your connection details, like IP addresses or DNS settings, based on your internet connection type. Configure your Wi-Fi settings. Choose a network name, SSID, and a strong password. Use WPA3 encryption if available. If you need to separate network traffic, set up VLANs to manage different types of traffic effectively. Adjust quality of service, QoS, settings to prioritize important applications and ensure they have sufficient bandwidth. Place the router in an optimal location, test your network, and regularly monitor its performance for reliable operation. And that's it. You've successfully set up your UniFi Mobile Router. Thanks for watching.